In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Notion dashboard that keeps your most important information in one clean, easy to use space. We're going to create a dashboard that works as a central hub for your day-to-day planning. The goal here is not to build something overly complicated, but to make a page that helps you quickly see what matters most whenever you open Notion. Start by creating a new page that will act as your main dashboard. This will be the home base you return to regularly, so give it a clear title that makes sense for your workflow. You can think of it as the front page of your personal or work system. A dashboard is most useful when it gives you quick access to the information you need without making you search through multiple pages. Once the page is ready, begin adding sections for the key areas you want to manage. A practical setup includes sections for tasks, calendar, projects, notes, and goals. These categories cover the things most people need to review often, and separating them into clear sections makes the page easier to scan. Use headings so each area is instantly recognizable at a glance. Next, add quick links to the pages you use most often. This is one of the simplest ways to make your dashboard more efficient. Instead of navigating through your sidebar every time, you'll be able to jump directly to important pages from one place. Keep these links limited to the pages you truly access regularly so the dashboard stays focused and uncluttered. After that, add a task view that shows what needs attention now. A filtered view for today or for this week is especially helpful because it keeps your current priorities front and center. This gives your dashboard a practical, action-oriented purpose rather than making it just a collection of links and sections. Then add a calendar view for deadlines or events. This helps you balance your tasks with time-based commitments and gives you a better sense of what's coming up. Having both a task view and a calendar view on the same page makes the dashboard much more useful for planning. To make everything easy to navigate, organize the page using columns, headings, and dividers. Columns can help you place related information side by side, while headings and dividers create visual separation. A clean layout makes the dashboard feel lighter and more intuitive to use. Finally, review the dashboard and keep it simple. A dashboard should support your workflow, not overwhelm it. Update it regularly, remove anything you no longer use, and refine it over time so it continues to stay helpful, clear, and easy to maintain.